my heartiest and warm welcome to our Reverend Sister Principal, respected sisters, dignified teachers, my talented participants, and everyone present in the audience in the exciting today's quiz competition. The game of mind, intellectual, interest, knowledge, and curiosity. Quizzes not only test our knowledge, but also encourage us to think critically and stay curious. Today's competition is all about learning, teamwork, and of course, fun. So here we can see some brilliant minds and enthusiastic faces are ready to dive into the journey of knowledge. So let's welcome them, all the participants, with a huge round of applause. Welcome you here on the stage. It is wonderful to see so many enthusiastic faces are ready to win the battle of mind. Are you all ready for this battle? Okay. So first of all, you have to introduce yourself. Please, one by one, you introduce yourself. Let's start with the Red House. Red House, please introduce yourself. Yes, it's working. Little louder.
Myself, Satish Sani from class 7.
I am Keshav Sharma from class 8.
Myself, Ritika Gurwal from class 7.
Next, Gold House. Please introduce us.
My name is Anush from 8C. I am Plush from class 8B.
Myself, Yasmana from class 6C.
Myself, Kavya from class 6B.
Next, Blue House. Please introduce us.
My name is Ritika from class 7.
Good morning everyone. Myself, Harvika Khaira from Blue House.
Hold the mic properly, please.
Myself, Priyanka from class 8.
Please.
I am Shubham Sani from class 8.
Myself, Kushan Singh Verma from class 7A. I am Manvik from class 6.
I am Jaswant Singh from class 8C.
Alright, thank you all the participants. Let's get started with the first round, that is rapid fire round. So before we jump into the competition, let's quickly go over the rules. The rules are, each team has to nominate one best candidate from your house. Whatever you feel to, absolutely it's your decision. So now I'm giving you 1 minute to select your leader. What? That person has to come in the center and give the answer. Nobody is there to help. Only one person you have to select from your team. Time up. Are you ready with your nominations? Okay. So please tell me one by one who all are going to give the answer. Please stand up. Yes, you introduce us. Introduce yourself to the audience.
I am Keshav Sharma from class 8B.
Yes, from next house, gold house.
I am Arush.
From blue house. From green house.
Myself Shanti Verma from class 7th.
Okay. Now the rules for you. Listen carefully. Nominate member will be given 1 minute to answer as many as question possible. We have 1 minute timer set for each team. So as soon as the hooter hits, you have to stop and I'll stop. I will be very pretty with my speed of asking the question, and you also have to be very fast in answering. If you don't know the answer, simply say no, so I can move on to the next question. There is no passing question, and there is no negative marks. Each question carries 10 points. Is that clear for everybody? Okay. So shall we start? So before proceeding further, I wanted to say that don't be panic and nervous. Be confident, listen carefully, stay focused and win the battle. Remember, winning and losing is a part of the competition. Remember, participation is matter most. You are on the stage facing the crowd and cameras. You are already winner. Okay? So, shall we start? Okay. Shall we start from Red House? Your time starts. The currency used in Canada. If you don't know the answer, please say pass.
No.
What is the boiling point of water at sea level?
No.
Who is discovered penicillin?
No.
Who wrote Pride and Prejudice?
No.
Which famous ship sank on its maiden voyages in 1912?
No.
Which instrument measured atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure. Which is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Which country is famous for producing maple syrup?
Canada.
UNA is observed on?
No.
Who was the highest runner? Red House. Red House attempted total 8 questions, and out of 8 questions, there are only 2 correct answers, means they got 20 points. Give them a big round of applause for the Red House for their remarkable performance. Let's move on to the next team, the Gold House. Yes, your time start now. What is the main language spoken in Brazil?
Portuguese.
The chemical formula of water is?
H2O.
What is the smallest unit of life?
Microorganism.
Which ocean is the east of Africa?
Can you repeat?
Which ocean is the east of Africa? Say pass if you don't know.
No.
Which continent is known as the dark continent?
Africa.
Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Say pass.
Venus.
Who was the first person to reach the South Pole?
Pass.
What is the primary gas found in the Earth's atmosphere?
Ozone.
Which painter is considered as the father of India's modern art? Your time's up. Gold House also attempted 8 questions, and out of 8 questions, how many 4 are correct means they got 40 marks. Give them a thunder round of applause. The next, the greenhouse. Are you ready for this battle? Okay. Your time starts now. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which country is the largest by the land areas?
Russia.
In which continent is the Sahara Desert located?
Africa.
Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize?
Pass.
Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Which country is famous for its pyramids?
Egypt.
What is the capital of Italy?
Pass.
Which element has the atomic number 1?
Hydrogen.
Name the Rajput princess whom Emperor Akbar married.
Dolomite.
Where is the headquarters of UN?
New York.
Which country is number 1 in space research?
America.
Okay. So, well done. A greenhouse. Greenhouse attempted 11 questions. Out of 11, 8 questions are correct. Give them a thumbs up and applause for their remarkable performance. Well done. Now it's turn to blue house. Your time starts now. The famous clock tower in London is called. What is the longest ocean on the earth? What is the longest ocean on the earth? Who was the first president of the United States? Say pass if you don't know. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Which famous landmark is located in Paris? Which is the largest river in the world? Which is the largest land animal? Who was the famous queen of the ancient Egypt? Who was the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Which plant is considered sacred by the Hindus? Okay. Greenhouse attempted 8 questions and out of 8, there are 2 correct answers, means they got 20 points. Give them a huge round of applause for all the participants. Fantastic efforts in the rapid fire round. Your speed and accuracy were impressive. Well done all the teams. You all sprinted like champions. Now let's step to the next round. That is India's Presidential Gallery. India's Presidential Gallery. This round is about former presidents of our India. As we all know that there have been 15 respected former presidents of India since the post of established when India was adopted as a republic with the adoption of Indian Constitution in 1950. So India's former presidents have played a significant role in shaping the country's history, politics and society. Their contribution have helped shape the nation's growth and its position on the global stage. So are you ready for this round? There is no sound. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So the rules for this round are: in this round, each team will be asked to pick up 2 slips, not together, one by one. 15 figures of our former presidents are displayed on the board. Whatever president's name you get in that slip, first you have to tell that name to the audience and then paste that slip on the correct figure of that president. Each correct answer carries 10 points and minus 5 for wrong answer. You will get only 10 seconds to identify the figure. Is that clear? Any doubt? Any confusion? Okay, shall we start? Yes. Ma'am, please. Only one. Yes, tell the name, open that slip and whatever your name gets, tell to the audience. Okay, you have to paste that slip on that figure.
This is grade number 4.
Ma'am is here, Pooja ma'am is here to see whether it is correct or not. Is it correct? Okay, well done. They got 10 points. Again, they have to pick up one more slip.
Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma.
Okay, paste the slip. Within 10 seconds you have to paste it. Correct it? Okay. Means total they score 20 points. Red House. Give them a huge round of applause. Okay, now the turn of Gold House. Take one slip first. Yes, tell in the mic, tell to the audience whatever name you get.
Gyani Jain Singh.
Gyani Jail Singh. Okay. You have to paste that slip on the correct figure. Okay, incredible performance. Very good. They also, both house scored 10 points. One more slip you have to pick up. In the mic, you have to tell to the audience that name.
VV Giri.
Vivi Giri.
Giri.
Okay. Paste that slip on that correct figure. You have 10 seconds to identify the figure. Wrong. Minus 5 for Gold House. Means they got 15 marks. Gold House. Now it's turn of Greenhouse. In the mic, you have to tell.
Ali Ahmed.
Sorry, Gold House not got 15, they got 5 points. Huh? Tell that name. Sorry?
Waqaruddin Ali Ahmed.
Okay, paste that slip on that correct figure. Is that correct? Okay. Give them a huge round of applause for the great house. One more slip, sir. One more slip they have to pick up.
Ramaswamy Venkatraman.
Okay. Paste the slip on the correct figure. Within 10 seconds. Time up. There is no point. Is it correct? Okay. What they got 20 marks. Green house got 20 marks. Now, blue house. Tell the name in the mic, whatever name you get it.
Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Okay, paste that slip on that correct figure. It's wrong, -5. One more slip you have to pick up. Say it loudly, beta. K.R. Narayan. Okay, slip that. Paste that slip on that correct figure. Wrong. It is wrong answer. So, how many total scores are there, sir? Red House? Red House total 40. Gold House? 45. Green got 100. And blue got 10. Blue got only 10. You need to do some little hard work. Okay? So fantastic job everyone. You have shown a great understanding of India's presidential history. Well done to all the participants for your enthusiasm and knowledge. Now let's keep the energy for the next round. For the next round, I would like to invite Pooja Sharma ma'am. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. Your moment is here for second round of GK Quiz Competition 2025-26. Let's see your knowledge and confidence shine. Best of luck to all the participants. Your second round is mixed background. This round will include questions from multiple subjects. The subjects are history, sports, science, current affairs, famous personalities, and general knowledge. The rules are: each team will get 2 direct questions from the subject that you choose. Each question carry 10 points. Team must answer within 20 seconds after the question is asked. Pay attention. If a team fails to answer within the time limit, question will pass to the next team for a bonus marks of 5. Only one team member can answer, but the team may discuss quietly before answering. Once the answer is spoken, it cannot be changed. The rules are clear. Shall we start? Are you ready? No energy. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, so now the red house. Tell me which subject you have choose.
Current affairs.
Okay. Who will give the answer? You, Kishan? Okay. You can discuss. Okay, with your team, then only you can answer. So your first question is, which country is set to the host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? I will repeat, which country is set to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? No. Sorry. Second questions. On which date ICI Women's Cricket World Cup won by India and whom did they defeat? I am repeat. On which date ICC Women's Cricket World Cup won by India and whom did they defeat? Date and the team, both.
South Africa.
Not the correct answer. That is 2nd November 2025. Sorry. Sir, 0 marks. Gold House team ready? Now tell me the subject. Okay. Yes. Who will give the answer? Okay. Which type of energy is stored in a food? Which type of energy is stored in a food? No. Which part of the human brain control balance? Yes. One correct answer, one wrong answer. Sir, on 10 marks. Yes, greenhouse. Yes, sports. Who will give the answer? Okay. The first question is who won the first Olympic medal for India in shooting? I am repeat. Who won the first Olympic medal for India in shooting? Okay. The next question is, which country is known as the birthplace of Olympic Games? Which country? Yes. One correct answer. Sir, 10 marks. Arun sir, 10 marks for free marks. Yes, who else? Okay. Your first question is, which country is known as the land of rising sun? Okay. Which city is known as the Silicon
morning to everyone. We'll start the next round. The next round is a picture-based round. You will be getting pictures on the screen, and you have to identify the picture and you have to tell. So before that, we'll come to the conclusion of how much points you have. First, we'll start with Blue House. Blue House total points. Blue House stands with 20 points now. Green House. Green House leading with 110 points now. Gold House. Gold House with 55 points. And Red House. Red House with 40 points. So now we will be starting. Before we start, there are some rules that will be shown. I request Himanshu sir to please put on the PPT. Yes. This is picture puzzle. You have to identify the flag which belongs to which country. Each team gets, please listen. I am also dictating the same thing here. Each team gets one direct question. Only the first answer is correct. Only the first answer that you speak is correct. You cannot repeat again. No further answers. Only the first answer will be considered as valid. Each question will carry 10 marks. No negative marking. And no, you have time limit, something around 1 minute you have time. So enough time is there. Only one team member. Yes. Okay, 30 seconds you can take my problem. You will be able to answer it in 30 seconds only. Yes. So now I'll bring chit and the chit. Yes. Start from anywhere. One chit only. Don't open it now. Yes. Now I request you to open and check the one who is getting F1. Yes, please read out your this one. Read out your flag name in the mic. What is written in your this one? F1. Himanshu sir, please put F1. You have to identify the flag.
Sir, India's flag 10 points.
India's flag, correct? 10 points. F2. F2. Pakistan, correct answer. F3. I request the audience, otherwise your teammate will lose your marks here. If you speak from there. Sri Lanka is the correct answer. F4. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. It is China. Flag for China, not for Vietnam. Now we'll be moving with the next slide. F5. Yes, you have to identify the flag.
Ireland.
Wrong answer. F6. Identify the flag.
Ireland.
Correct answer. F7. Ukraine, correct answer. F8. Canada, correct answer. I request for the total score. Blue in this round got 20 points. Green got 10 points. Gold got 20 points. And red got 10 points. Now I will request Himanshu sir for the next round.
So students, now we proceed to the next segment of our competition, that is voice recognition round. Now you have to listen carefully. This is the last round. In this round, each team will be presented with two distinct audio clips that will be played in cycle form. That means two audio clips will be played for each group. Participants are required to listen attentively and identify the voice of that audio. Each clip will be played only once or maximum of twice in case of technical issue. Teams must provide their response within 20 seconds. And please note that no second attempt will be permitted if an incorrect answer is given. Now scoring pattern: 10 points for every correct answer, 0 point for an incorrect answer, and there will be no negative marking and no option to pass the question. So, are you ready? So wishing all the best. Let's begin with the voice recognition round. So can I have the please, Pujaman?
Both my mother and my father died of cancer. Millions of people are struck by cancer, been mistreated, wrongly treated too late. The country has had poor facilities to deal with this. The National Cancer Institute is...
So, Blue House first. Your time will start now. No. Incorrect answer. Next audio for greenhouse.
हार नहीं माननी है बेटा, अभी समय बाकी है, कुछ बाकी है, मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। क्या सर ये मुमकिन है? लग जाए यार, तो चारों तरफ से क्यों नहीं मुमकिन है? क्यों नहीं पढ़ सकता मैं 12 घंटे? अगर मैं प्लानिंग से 4-4 पहर में डिवाइड कर लूँ और 3-3 घंटे पढ़ूँ, नहीं होगी 12 घंटे पढ़ाई, कोई बात नहीं। 10 होगी, 9 होगी, 8 घंटे तो इफेक्टिव निकल के आएंगे ना इसमें से कम। पहले दिन 8।
Yes, greenhouse.
महात्मा गांधी।
No. Wrong answer. Correct answer is Alak Pandey. And the first one answer was Ratan Tata. Okay. Now next audio please for
असल में मेरा विश्वास जातिवाद में नहीं है। मैं तो चाहूंगी कि ये शब्द हम हटा दें अपने देश से। हम सब अपने को एक माने, इस महान देश के महान नागरिक अपनी देश को माने, क्योंकि
so good house please answer. Correct answer. Please next audio please for red house.
जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को जागो तुम, जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को जागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं।
Correct answer. Again, question for Blue House. Can I?
I met this fat lump of 85 kilos, my wife. We were playing in Chennai. She hardly used to see cricket. I come back. She said, how was the day? I said, "Theek tha. Not very good. What you did? I said, 0. She made a cup of tea. I had.
No, wrong answer. That is Kapil Dev. Now next audio for greenhouse.
In your life, if you want to take a challenge, you have to be, very strong enough. Inside also, you have to be very, very strong. जब strong नहीं हो तो कैसे आपको deal करेगा? है ना? Initially, what happened? I had faced so many challenges in my life. Discouraged हुआ.
Yes, your time is start now. Greenhouse.
इंदिरा गांधी।
No. Wrong answer. That is Mary Kom. Next audio please for Gold House.
How you react to times when you're not feeling great, and how you ride that wave and accept things the way they are, but still it's a very delicate thing to do when you know you're not doing well and you feel like you don't want to work, you don't want to go to practice, you don't want to work hard in the gym, but you feel like as an individual you're a step.
Yes, Gold House. No, wrong. It was Virat Kohli. The last audio please for Red House.
I promise you, in sport you lose more than you win, most of the time. So it is very important to know how to lose. It is very important to know how to deal with the fact of how you are going to react to that loss. And that's what really defines you as a person, and that's what builds character. I promise you, in sport you lose more than you win, most of the time. So it is very important.
Yes, Red House. You have time. Now time up. Correct answer is Sania Mirza. Thank you for this round. Now, sir,
As we have reached to the end of the quiz program for classes 6 to 8, the scores are on the board as well. You can see green holds the first position with 150. Gold secures the second position with 85 and red holds with third position with 60 points and blue scores 40 points. So all the best for all of them. We have more programs in future. We can do better there. So everybody is not a winner or a loser. So everybody can win at some point of time. So we'll close it now, and I request Greenhouse to make a move.
Today we are going to conduct our final quiz competition round from class 3rd to 5th. And first of all, I will introduce all the houses. Let's start from the blue house. Introduce yourself. Next. Next house. Gold house. And here I testimony with my extreme versatile genius team, Mrs. Bhavana Ved, Miss Jyoti Bhardwaj ma'am, and Mr. Jagdish Prasad sir. And this is first round, and participants, you have to choose one chip from the bowl, and according to your chips, you have to select your subject, and after this, you have to give the answer. And each question having 4 marks, total 20 marks. Are you ready? Okay, blue house. Which part of the plant make food? Root, stem, leaf, flower?
Leaves.
Correct answer. What do we breathe in to stay alive? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, smoke?
Oxygen.
Correct answer. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Are you sure? Correct answer. Which sense organ help us to smell? Eyes, nose, ears, skin?
Nose.
Correct answer. Which animal is known as the sheep of desert? Camel? Correct answer. Next round, I will hand over to mic to Bhavna ma'am.
Good morning everyone present here. I am Mrs. Bhavna. Now it's time to our second round. This round is identify the image. So I will show you one image, then each image carry 10 marks, no negative marking, so you don't worry. You can give the answer within 10 seconds. So first image goes to red house.
Indira Gandhi.
Yes, correct answer. Red house got 10 marks. My next image goes to gold house. Yes, correct answer. Third image goes to greenhouse. Or please show to the audience. Yes, it is correct answer. Now next image goes to blue house.
Virat Kohli.
Yes, correct answer. Kindly give them a huge round of applause for all the participants of each house. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Miss Jyoti Bhargava ma'am for third round.
Good morning, welcome back to the quiz competition, and we have had some thrilling rounds so far, and now it's time to put your problem solving skills to the test. In this third round, we present to you the puzzle round. So get ready to exercise your brain with a mix of logical questions, a math brain teasers, word play, and many more. So you will need to think creatively, logically, and work under pressure to solve the puzzles that await you. From decoding pattern to cracking codes, we will challenge your analytical skills and see who will emerge victorious. So let's see who will rise the challenge and claim the top spot. So there are some rules for this round. Basically, this is a puzzle round and you will get, each house will get 2 chips for this round. One question contains 10 marks, time will be 20 seconds, and there are puzzles to solve. First, when you answer me, first tell me your question code. Okay, then you will answer. So my first question, my question goes to greenhouse. Greenhouse, please tell me your question code first. Okay, your question is 6. What is the next number in the pattern? This is the question, right? So the question pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. What will be the next number? 10. Very good. Excellent. 10 points. Greenhouse. Next question code 5. Okay, so the question is a bookshelf has 5 shelves and each shelf can hold 8 books. If the bookshelf is currently empty, how many books can be placed on it in total? So it is a math question, so solve the question and answer it. A bookshelf has 5 shelves, and in one shelf you can keep 8 books at a time. So in total, how many books will be there? 40, yes, correct answer. Very good. The one over here, and I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Jagdish sir for the fourth round.
One and all present here, get ready to think fast and score big. We are moving into the GK rapid fire round, where speed and accuracy are key. You will have a minute to answer as many questions as possible. And every second counts. From history to science, sports to literature, we will fire questions at you in rapid succession. Keep your wits about you and your buzzer fingers ready. So let's see who can keep up the pace and emerge victorious. So let's get started here. First round goes to Gold House. The first question is, in which game yellow cards are used to discipline players? Correct answer. Which festival is celebrated as the Festival of Colors? Correct answer. Country known as Land of Rising Sun?
Japan.
Correct answer. Largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Correct answer. Which sport is Saina Nehwal associated with? Sorry, no answer. Which organ purify our blood? Which organ purify our blood? Yes, correct answer. Which country is known for its kangaroo? Very good, correct answer. Which festival is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Krishna? Good, correct answer. The brain of computer?
CPU.
Correct answer. What is the color of sky on a sunny day?
Blue.
Yes. Here, the Gold House score is 10 out of 10. This is the fast rapid round completed here. For further proceeding, I would like to invite Bhavna ma'am. The first question is, which is the largest continent on Earth?
Asia.
Correct. How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Correct. Which is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Correct. What is the study of living things called?
Biology.
Correct. Which country is known for its kangaroo?
Australia.
Correct. Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Correct. How many players are there in a cricket team?
11.
Correct. In which year did India gain independence?
1947.
Correct. Which is the longest river on earth?
Nile.
Correct. Which is the closest star to earth?
Sun.
Correct. Very good. 10 out of 10 you give answer. This is the rapid round. Score is for Blue House in this round 82, 32. And for Green House 36. And for Gold House 32. And for Red House 40. Congratulations.